For this question, you don't need to use the template or anything. You just need to use a calculator to do some adding and subtracting. So what this is showing is that we have a sample proportion here. So that's my 89.1%. So this is my, this is my p hat. And this is my error, my margin of error. And the way the formula works is that you always do plus or minus the margin of error. So that symbol there just means you're doing two math operations. So in order to figure out the lower, and the upper, so to do the lower bound, that's going to equal the p hat minus the error. And if I write that, I would get 89.1% minus the 8.1%. And if you need a calculator, you can type this in the calculator. This one's actually a nice, easy one to do. So if I subtract this, I'm going to get 81%. Okay, so that's my lower bound. Now to do the upper, I have to do the p hat plus, so it's the 89.1 plus 8.1%. And if you use a calculator, you should get 97.2%. Oh, I'm losing my, why won't it right here? Oh, this is just a bad part of the touchscreen. 2%. Okay, so now let's type in those values to see if they're correct. So the lower value would be the 81%, 0 if we do 2, and 97.2. So 81. I don't have to type the percent sign as it's already right there next to the answer blank. And then 97.2. Let's do submit. And there you go. So that's how confidence intervals can also be written, is in this format, where you take the sample proportion and add or subtract the margin of error. All right, I hope that helps.